In this video, we're going to take you through configuring your Netgear eWAN modem. The first thing you're going to need is one of these. Connect your modem to the optical network terminal or network termination device or Fibre box via the WAN port of your modem using an Ethernet cable. The port might also be labelled as WAN/WAN, WAN/LAN 4, or Internet. Make sure it's plugged into the wall and the power is on. You should see a solid green light for the power icon. Underneath the modem is the SSID and Wi-Fi password. Use this to locate the Wi-Fi name on your computer and then join the network. When you've properly joined the network, it will say No Internet Secured. This is because we haven't configured or set it up yet. Open the internet browser on your computer or phone and type in 192.168.1.1. You can also check the bottom of the modem for the correct IP address if that doesn't work. You'll be prompted for a username and password. Username in lowercase is admin. Password in lowercase is admin. You can also check the bottom of the modem. In fact, when in doubt, that's the best place to look. Once logged in, within the Advanced tab, select Setup, then Internet Setup to display the Internet Setup page. For Does your internet connection require a login? Select No. Leave VLAN unchecked if you come across this setting. Click Apply. Please test the service once done and enjoy the internet with Exetel.